going to be showing you how to generate AI images using Stable Diffusion on your Mac using an app called Draw Things. This is a beginner's tutorial, so if you have no idea how to and where to get started, this is for you. The first step is downloading the Draw Things app, and you can download it straight from the App Store, or you can search up Draw Things and click on this button and it'll take you directly to the app. So once you've downloaded the app, the next step is the prompts. Prompts are very, very important. Stable Diffusion needs a lot of specific words, or you'll be generating things that you don't want to generate. For example, Exhibit A, this was meant to be a camera, and look what I've received. And as you can see, these are just lenses when I wanted a whole camera. And there are also font images here where you can see that it just wasn't working well at all, and Stable Diffusion didn't understand what I wanted to. But if you put in the right prompts, and once you understand it and get the gist of it, you can produce nice, clean images like this. This is what I've generated to be used on my websites. So I can produce stock images, and I don't have to go on websites such as FreePic to download random images that I can put on my projects on my websites. Prompts are quite a learning curve, considering you need to be really specific. Luckily, there are websites with prompts already you can use. Wow! You can use them to inspire you. You can use a website such as civitai.com right here. And as you can see, there are images here that look lovely and nice. And you can just click here and you see the prompts, and you can also see the modules they use. So you can download those modules and generate similar pictures to them. So as you can see, it provides you with the prompts and the negative prompts and all the other information you require. So if you don't want to learn how to make prompts, then you can just use these, edit it a little bit, and get the image you want. Modules are very important as well. You can download modules and laws. They're trained to generate certain types of images, and so you may get better results using certain modules than other modules. Or you can just use the basic SDXL base, or the generic Stable Diffusion. Let's get started. As you can see, I have a tutorial here set up with a prompt head that they give you, and so you can click here and click generate, and let's see what it produces. You can see this is the image generated from the prompt, the example prompt given. These are the settings. If you scroll up here also, you can see this script. You click it and you can see all different inbuilt styles that Draw Things have. And if you want to imitate a certain style, you just click it. Just click this one. As you can see, negative prompts have appeared, and if you generate the image, it will generate it in that style. This is the basic setting, which is technically all you need, especially if you're on a beginner's level. This is the module, and you download modules here and you click them. This is the Lora pack I was telling you about, and when you want a certain style, you can train Loras to help adapt your images to the style you want. With the control, you can do stuff like image to image, use control nets to in Paint, remove some stuff or add some stuff into your picture, like basically edit your picture. And yeah, if you want a tutorial for that, leave a comment below. With this, this is the strength of how much influence you want the text to have with the image generation. With seed, you just always leave it on random generation, which is -1, and it will just generate a random seed. And if you have a style that you like, once it's been generated, you just use that seed and it will generate images that are very similar to the image that you generated. With image size, it's very important, especially for those with lower end Macs. These settings here would affect how fast or how slow you generate an image, and so ideally you should do a 1:1 5:12 5:12, which is a small size, and with steps 30, around 20 to 30 is a good shout for a decent speed. Anything higher will produce better images, however it will take longer and no one wants to wait. With text guidance as well, 7.5 is a good amount. Usually when you go to one of these images and prompts, it will tell you what settings to put them on like I said before, and you just click copy generation data. You click open draw things, you right click, and you just do paste silver generation data. Yeah, just this was just negative prompts. This was just negative. That was really annoying. Yeah, this one has positives and negatives, so I'm gonna copy that, paste it in here, and there we go. We have all of it here, and it just tells you need to install the modules in which you can do. These are the advanced settings. These are for the people who know more about what they're doing, and if you want to edit certain settings and make an image look in a specific way, you edit this. But if you're a beginner, you shouldn't really touch this. You should just leave it how it is. With scripts, scripts basically allow you to automate things like generating in a loop, or generation where you change the steps each time, so you can experiment with different steps. And if you are looking for scripts to use, you can just go on the Draw Things Discord page and you can find some scripts there that you can use. Alright, well, thank you guys. That will be all for this short tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I'll also be doing more specific videos on specific parts of the app, but this is just a basic one for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.